Hey guys, welcome to Comfy Cozy Up. So guys, this week was supposed to be a reading vlog, but yeah, things didn't work out. I had bits and pieces of stuff. I think the only thing that I was okay with is the food. but but other than that, it's just didn't work out. Plus the book, to be honest, the review wasn't gonna be that great. So I'm just gonna save it for the wrap up. So today I'm just gonna be talking about that. Before that, you see me outside, guys? The weather is 80 degrees today. It's kind of hot for May, so you see a lot of activity. Yeah, so hopefully I can get this done before any more people disrupt the video. So anyway, so let's talk about the book I'm reading. So I'm reading Romance in Marseille, and this is from Claude McKay. Now of course this is a Jamaican author, so I was super excited when I found that out. I did talk about this book in my classic TBR part 2. Now this book, the beginning is the introduction where you get all like the nitty-gritty of the publishing of this book, and how many draft was there, how many title of the book was there. Like in here it talked about the different title, and one of the titles, honestly, I was just like, maybe they should have kept that title, but it is where is it? Oh, the title was where's the title? Savage Lovin'. So that was the second title that I noticed. The first one was The Jungle and the Bottoms, but I think the Savage Lovin' might have been a good one for the title, but they settled on what they thought was his final title that he agreed upon, Romance in Marseille. Now this is a story that it is sad, and it's kind of like a bit of a interesting tale of a man who was having a good time, you know, met a woman, everything was all good, and then she took him for all he had. So him, you know, getting away and trying to sneak and to get away wasn't a good idea. He was basically put in a capture a bit and put in a situation where he had some really serious frozen, I believe his legs, basically his legs were badly damaged in confinement on this ship, and so he's now handicapped, and there was some money situation for that. You know, he had a lawyer and basically fighting for some money, and of course became a target because of that by multiple people who are trying to get money from him. He's also, you know, looking at his as money in terms of his future, what he can do with it, but he's still struggling with now this no leg situation that, you know, anybody will be struggling with, but so far don't know where it's going. I feel like, you know, based on the title, it's just a woman's going to be involved or something like that. We'll see. I'll definitely let you know. The next book I want to talk about is a book from an author that I was so excited when I found out that I requested an ARC. I did receive an e-ARC. Unfortunately, the date I was given on that wasn't correct because I thought the book was coming out next week. So I had already planned on, and you know, this weekend I was going to read the book and review it on the day it comes out, because that's typically what I like to do when I get ARCs. Lo and behold, the book came out this week, the 12th, so I was a little bit disappointed, upset about that. So because the physical book was out, I went and got it, and it is a book of The Little Act, and it is by Lauren Francis-Sharma. Now she is born in America, but she is of Trinidadian heritage, so her books are typically in that kind of setting. In this particular book, it's a historic fiction that takes place between Trinidad and the US. That's all I know so far, but a lot of the Caribbean people that I follow, that I trust their reviews, all loved it, gave it 5 stars. So I'm very excited. I'm hoping I feel just as hope, 5-star feels like they do. So, but I felt I was her Till the World When Dry was one of my favorite book. The year it came out, which back was what, 2014. So, and I really love it. It was my favorite book that year. So I'm hopeful that she can grab me just like she did in that book in this. But I will definitely let you guys know. And yeah, so I am going to chill for the rest of the day, read. I'm definitely gonna finish this today. I just know I'm gonna finish this today, and then devour the other book because this just made me so excited. I'm excited, guys. And then relax and get some sleep, because that's the only time I seem to sleep is on my day off. Yay! So thanks for watching, guys, and have a good day. Bye.